What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome to a beautiful morning, Mooresville, North Carolina. We are about to head over to Our Dream Auto, where I have the car stored behind lock and key. Huge shout out to Our Dream Auto. Check them out if you need restoration, build, whatever. But yeah, kind of a chilly morning, as you can clearly see. But we got to get over to Kooks Headers and get the car dropped off. So let's ride. Alright, boys, because we've got to get over to Kooks as quick as possible. I spared you all the excitement of hooking the car to the trailer, or the trailer to the truck, excuse me. And now we are headed over to Our Dream Auto, I'm losing it, guys. I'm telling you, I'm losing it. We are headed over to Kooks Headers and Exhaust, which is like literally, what does this say here? It's like literally not even a 5-minute drive, so well, of course, barring traffic here in Mooresville. Pretty sure we are here at Kooks Headers, boys. All right, guys, so we have arrived, and this is Jamie from Kooks. Jamie, what's happening, dude?
What's going on?
We have been trying to put this together for a while, and it's been crazy, but honored, pleasure to be here. Yeah. And so basically we're going to put the redesigned Coyote swap headers on the car. Yep. And then we're going to, do a little bit more too.
We might add some burnouts to it. Who knows?
You never know. You never know.
We've got plenty of black marks in the parking lot already.
So we can maybe do a little smoky burnout here. But guys, real quick, got to show you off what we got going in the shop here. Another Coyote swap. Yeah. Tell me about the Cyclone. That's ridiculous.
Cyclone is actually mine.
No way.
It's
okay.
Original GMC Cyclone that I bought just out of high school.
Wow.
Set some of the fastest records in it with the V6. Just switched it over to LS this
okay.
year, so I have not had it out yet, but that's mine, little project.
Nice. And then that's a 10R80 car.
10R80 car that the guy's building for the 10R80 shootout class.
Okay. So I'll show you guys that in a minute, but we also got it's a 2020 Supra that you guys are doing the exhaust on.
Exhaust system. We're kind of launching out into that market, into the import market.
Okay. So too much cool stuff here, guys. I promise I'm gonna show you everything, but right now they're about to get the car in the air and get it going. All right, boys, so as promised, I had to show off this car. This thing is Gen 3 Coyote and a 10R80, and right now they are building custom headers for it, just making sure everything clears the 10R80. But this freaking thing, talk about making me look bad. Full roll cage. I mean, yeah, this thing is gonna be ridiculous. Got a bunch more parts in here, but yes, I love it. It looks like dark shadow gray, but I wish we could get under this thing. But yeah, it's got a 10R80 in it, so this thing is gonna be an absolute freaking monster. And then over here, 2020 Supra. I guess they've just built an entire custom system for it, headers or a header and downpipe, all that, and waiting on some tuning from Real Street. But yeah, just too much cool stuff. And then of course this is Jamie's Cyclone right here. This is an original Cyclone, by the way, guys. Original freaking Cyclone. They ended up just swapping it to LS, but my god, that's a big turbo, just saying. Jeez Louise, too freaking cool. Maybe we can get Jamie to do a burnout for us or something, who knows. All right, guys, and so this right here is a 94 Cobra Coyote swap they're also putting the new redesigned headers on. Talk about freaking badass. SN95 with a Coyote. Actually saw this car at Mustang Week, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe it was here in Charlotte, who knows. But yeah, this car is freaking sweet too. There's his Instagram right there, Coyote. T56 car. I guarantee you this thing's fun. But right here, that is Cody over there. Cody is about to get this thing in the air, and we'll swap some headers out. All right, boys, so checking in. Cody's hard at work here, tearing it up. Actually did notice we were touching a little bit on the steering shaft. You can see it right there. Not a lot, but a little bit. Very, very close. Have you noticed anything else, Cody?
Nothing too crazy, nothing ridiculous.
So, but the one cool thing is they were telling me earlier, the new design, I'll actually be able to use my my K-member brace back there. Came with the Maximum Motorsports K-member. And so how much deeper you gotta go to get these things out? Yeah.
I gotta get that steering shaft out of there, and then I think I had to unbolt the motor mount, so just pick the engine up a little bit to get some room.
Okay.
And it should come out fairly easy.
Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And then of course, guys, if you missed the video earlier, we're going with the 1 7/8 design, so maybe we'll pick up a little extra power there. And then of course, if you didn't know, Kooks does exhaust all the way out the back, like full custom and hand built, TIG welded, stainless, gorgeous. So that is what we're gonna do as well. So we'll actually finally have freaking tailpipes again. Say it ain't so. All right, boys, so I had to show you underneath this car. Talk about freaking beautiful. But this is a 10R80. This thing is massive. I mean, it's freaking bigger than a 6R80. But you can see, if you guys are wondering about the 10R80, if it's been done, yes, here it is. It's in. It does clear. It is tight. But look at the difference in the headers. And I don't know if you can make the difference without having them side by side, but they swept them back farther. So you've got more room up here. Like I'm gonna be able to put my brace on my K-member, the rear brace. But like you look over here, everything's swept a lot farther back. And then the stick shift headers are gonna be kicked over a little bit and sent straight through. But this is a sick system. I believe these are the mufflers we're putting on my car. But talk about badass. I love it. But absolutely awesome. You've got all this room right here. You can get at the steering shaft now, where before all the pipes were right here. You couldn't see any of that. Couldn't get to any of it either. So this is way too cool. All right, boys, so the moment of truth. Here is the new headers. Oh, guys, they're so pretty when they're new. I mean, these things are like, they're so pretty you don't even want to put them on. But these are the 1 7/8. And I talked to some of the Coyote stock racer guys. They said there's some power to be had from going from the 1 3/4 to the 1 7/8. I mean, it's not a lot, but you know, every little bit helps, especially when we're trying to get into the 10s. But guys, I'm telling you, just these things, absolutely flipping beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to get them on the car. And looks like Cody's putting the gaskets in now, so will not be long. All right, guys, this has been a very long and difficult process. The guys at Kooks have been working their ass off for almost 3 straight days. But oh my God. Oh my God, it's starting to come together. You're not gonna get to see it all just yet, but here is the polished, wide open, straight through Kooks mufflers, all welded up. You can see wide freaking open. X pipe is there, headers is there. Guys, we're about to put this together. These massive, polished, hand-built 3-inch tails. Just getting a little taste right now, but yes, almost there. All right, boys, let's hear what this thing really sounds like. All right, boys, so up the skirt view of quite possibly the most gorgeous exhaust system ever done. Again, 3-inch, custom built. As you can see, clearance everywhere. It is a little tight, but it's sitting on the ground. It's tight, but it fits everywhere. Gorgeous polished stainless Kooks mufflers. Just unreal. The routing is perfect. The welds are amazing. And of course, you got the X pipe and the new 1 7/8 headers, flow tubes. I mean,
We're spinning too fast.
unreal. Absolutely unreal. All right, guys. So huge shout out to the crew at Kooks Headers and Exhaust. I cannot thank these guys enough for this opportunity. I don't even know what to say at this point for them doing this, you know, for them having the courage to take a product that doesn't necessarily fit perfect and take it off the market and re-engineer it, and then, you know, support the Fox body community, the Mustang community, by bringing us back in and showing us, hey, these things fit, they work, and you're gonna love them. And I gotta say, I freaking love them. So huge shout out again to the guys at Kooks. If you're in the market for a header for anything, definitely check them out. Made in the USA, right here in North Carolina. Can't say enough about these guys. So in the meantime, if you like this video and you like big shiny headers and exhausts, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll see you at the track.